Alright, so as you see in here, I have this nice and smooth creasing on this panel, and it's going from hard edge to a smoother surface like that. So I just know that a lot of people just wondering how we can do something like that, how we can just transitioning between the hard edge and smooth edge. So let me show you how I did that with the bar surfacing. When you first just edit the board, the first thing you're gonna see is this board with non-creased edges. It's pretty flat and smooth and no creases on it. So let me show you how I just added the crease here. First, I'm going to pick up the edges. I just want to crease it. Let's say I just want to crease until here. So I'm just going to pick these edges and give it a 75 creasing. Okay, now after that I'm gonna pick the last edge and let's make it maybe 15 or something, and this node here gonna show us that if we just crease it at 1, that will give us more accurate creasing. So you're gonna see the difference. It's normally transition well between the surfaces. So you're gonna see that now it's moving from a smoother to creased edge. That looks like an arrow here, so it's pretty hard edge here. If we just convert it, now you can see that nice and smooth greasing. Something else that I just don't need it to be greased with the bar surfacing. I need to make a crease by fillets, or to control how much fillets or how much radius I need. So the bar surfacing has some sort of wheel here that controls how much creases you can add. So an example, let's see if I just try that from 1, and I can control how much I need. So you can go more thinner than that. But if I just need to create a hard edge, let me pick the edges again, and I need here to create an hard edge. So the hard edges looks like that. You're gonna do the same process, but this time all going to be 100%, and this node maybe going to be 2 or something. Okay, I can add additional line at the bottom underneath it and pick it up, go a little inside. Okay, so when I just remove the edges, you're gonna see that. Now let's pick up the node here, and I'm gonna move it with constrained move a little. And when you convert it, boom, you got this nice clean creased edge. Now as you see in here, it's nice and smooth at this side, and started decreasing at 100. Okay, so now I have ability to add fillets from the SolidWorks. You can choose how much you need. This is 3 millimeters. You can choose more and more. This is 4 millimeters. Let's give it as 3 and apply. I'm going to just select this. Okay, so you got this nice and clean surface.